Nyam Nyam brings you Tiramisu crepe pouch. First, whisk together 4 eggs and 100 grams of sugar in a mixing bowl. Add 10 grams of coffee powder to that. Give it a little whisk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt and 500 millilitres of milk. You can use whole milk or even skimmed if you want to be a little bit more healthy. Now we're going to sift in 160 grams of cake flour. Taking care to avoid any lumps. You can always leave out the very last part if it does get a little bit lumpy. Mix that all together. Add 30 grams of melted butter. And there we have our crepe mixture. Cover in cling film and refrigerate for 1 hour. And now our crepe mixture is ready to pour into the frying pan. You can cook several of these. Now add 300 grams of mascarpone cheese and 200 grams of sugar to another mixing bowl and whisk together. Add 400 grams of whipping cream to that and mix that with a spatula. Now we have our mascarpone filling. We just give it a whisk, thicken it up. That goes into a food piping bag. Yummy! That's the fun part. Now we get some chocolate cake. You can make it earlier or buy it pre-made from the store. You're going to cut out 4 small circle shapes with a cookie cutter. Put the rest of the cake aside. Now our crepe is ready and we're going to cut out a large circle with this just to neaten the edges. We like it nice and even. Now if you place your small cookie cutter in the centre, we're going to just start snipping away to make slices around the edge, kind of like a pizza. Now that's ready to go into our muffin tray. We're going to open it out like a flower. Now we can put our filling inside. Add some mascarpone mousse with your food piping bag. Put your layer of chocolate cake on there. Some coffee and more mascarpone mousse. Now we're going to stick down the sides of the crepe onto the mascarpone until it's all nicely sealed. Now those are going to be covered, go in the freezer for 1 hour. And when it's ready, it will look something like this. Adding a little more mascarpone mousse on top for presentation purposes. And if you want to make it look even more official, you can sprinkle some cocoa powder on top. You can even try using fruits if you're feeling summery. Maybe some pouring cream. That is where Italy meets France. Delicious.